Now to catch everybody off guard, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out as much as you can, and then just block your nose with your fingers to prove. Breathe out, keep breathing out, keep breathing out. And just hold that for as long as you can. Nice, 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 nice. When you feel that urge in your tummy to start, yeah, it'll start kicking in by itself. Alrighty, nice. Johnny and Golden Seed are Zen machines. Nice. Hey, that was about 35 seconds. Sweet. Alrighty. So what you've just experienced is carbon dioxide going, please remove me from your body.
Hi there, Adrian here, and this is a video from a Zoom session that we do. We do these Zoom sessions every Sunday, and we take questions and answers from the audience. Some of our students, some of our members. We never know what questions are coming up, so I'm always excited to do these sessions, and I hope to see you at one of them. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and check out the other playlists that we have. Thank you, enjoy.
What we're going to do now is take 20 reasonably sized breaths, just fully in through the mouth. And it's just another test, so you can just witness what we're going to go through tonight. So 20 deep ones in, and just relax your breath out. So deep in with me. Ten to go. Three, two, last one, breathe in and out. Steady yourself, breathe all the way out. When you finish breathing out, don't breathe in. Just wait. Go through all the experiences you're having within your body right now, be it in your head, be it your thought processes. If you can feel your heartbeat, even more amazing. And just sit in that space for a moment. You're probably feeling a little bit dizzy in the head towards the end of that breath. People say it's like over oxygenating, but your blood oxygen level is normally at about 97, 98% anyway, even while you're working, walking, sitting, talking, and that's already 45 seconds without air in your lungs. Okay, so just relax and you can come back to your breath any way you choose. Nice work. I'll see you all next week. I'm joking.
Really caught me off guard. Nice one.
Okay, so how did everybody's head feel? Did anyone get dizzy? Yeah, a little bit dizzy.
Yeah,
Jay,
definitely.
you didn't move symmetrically then. This is actually how I feel as well. I feel like it's going around and around and around my head. And it's just like a manifestation of an actual brainwave. Once your brain takes charge, or the electrical impulse within your body increases, you start to feel different spaces within your body. When it hits my brain, sometimes when I'm sitting in a meditation as such, I'll start moving from side to side, and then my body will start circling. It's normally when I still my breath right down. So when we did the first blow out, can we just do that again? So start breathing all the way out. And then when you think you've breathed all the way out, just put your hand up so I can see. Now count to 10 loudly.
1, 2.
So there's still air in the lungs, yeah? Everyone understands that? So when you're doing your solid breath out, it's actually nice. We got to 10. When you're doing your solid breath out, you'll feel your pelvic floor begin to tighten when you start doing the count. So you'll breathe all the way out. You'll start to feel the pelvic floor tighten, then your stomach and your hips tighten, and then you'll start to feel it push up. And then you can really become conscious of your heartbeat because everything down in your lower torso is starting to really lock up. This is also called anxiety. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Does everybody get that same feeling? Like, shit, I need to breathe. Like something's got a hold of me. So
I get a feeling, but I don't have any panic about it because I know I'm in control.
nice. But what are you in control of?
The ability to breathe when I want.
That's it, man. That's all. So number one anxiety or centering exercise is just to remember that. Like, do a quick body check, check your posture, feel how tight your tummy is feeling. And if you can just relax, when you relax, your organs will slowly drop down. When your organs drop down, your diaphragm will naturally sit a little bit slower. Yeah, there's a nervy ganglion just behind your diaphragm called your solar plexus, and it starts to fill up. It pumps like your nervous fluid or your cerebrospinal fluid around your body and really makes you feel connected. As it's dropping down, it also increases the size of your heart and the volume of your lungs. Okay, sorry, the volume of your heart. So your heart is pumping just that little bit slower because it can pump more in one go. Yeah. So that's your anxiety cure. Number one. Getting rid of the thoughts, that's for the other guy in the white shirt over there. I'm good with breath. Okay. So lately I've been digging a little bit more into pranayama and the just learning a little bit more about the chemistry of the body, like how it works, not the particular chemical names. I'm not interested. I choose not to remember stuff that is not going to serve me in any other way. I don't want to sound important. I want you to feel like you have become more important, like you are capable of more. So representing the right side, I make words. The right side is your sun. It's a positive force. Okay. The same as it comes down into your lung is the positive charge within your body. Left side, obviously opposite. This is actually being measured mechanically, like on a couple of living human beings. Apparently it was very hard, but in 1985, some guy did it in, I think it was in America. This is something that's been known for thousands and thousands of years in both Chinese and Indian cultures. From ancient Sanskrit, it's all been carved into stone, basically. Speaking of old words, just a point of interest. Breath used to be called spiritus, spirit. So we are breathing in spirit and we're breathing out spent spirit. So we breathe in what we need, what we use. People call it prana or ki. And then we breathe out what's been used or exhausted. We exhausted. So think of the words inhalation and exhalation. And think of what hail means. It means to rain over, yeah? So when you're breathing in, you inhale, you are in charge. And when you exhale, that's the past. It's gone. It's the last ruling energy of the day or energy of the moment has passed.
Boom! You made it here! Good on you. Make sure you click the subscribe button below and check out the playlist at the end. If you'd like to come along to our Sunday sessions where we host a live free Q&A for our students and members, you're welcome. I'll see you there.